Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to unlock your Toyota Tacoma door if you find yourself locked out. First, check your key fob for a small button that releases a hidden emergency key. This is your primary method for manual entry. Once released, insert this physical key into the driver's side door lock. Turn it clockwise to engage the locking mechanism and open your door. This simple step can save you time and potential damage. If the emergency key isn't an option, consider using an air wedge and a long reach tool. Begin by gently inserting a non-marring plastic wedge into the upper corner of your door frame. This creates a small initial gap. Next, slide an inflatable air wedge into this opening and pump it to create a working space of about 1/2 to 3/4 of an inch. Then, carefully maneuver a long, coated reach tool through the gap to either flip the interior lock or pull the door handle. When self-help methods are not successful, professional assistance is your best bet. Locksmiths possess specialized tools and expertise to unlock your Tacoma without causing damage. A simple, non-shipped spare key can often unlock the door, even if it won't start the engine. Remember, replacing a lost key fob can be quite costly, sometimes exceeding $200, so having a spare is a wise investment. To avoid future lockouts, proactive measures are key. Always carry a spare physical key, perhaps in your wallet or a magnetic hide-a-key box, ensuring it's accessible. Modern Toyota Tacomas with smart key systems often have features that prevent you from locking the key fob inside, sometimes even sounding an alert. However, it is always best practice to visually confirm your keys are not in the cabin before securing your truck.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.